I got a new chair, and I really needed this chair for the longest freaking time. I bought this chair off Amazon. It was pretty expensive. But the reviews were freaking amazing, and they said that this is like out of all kind of like the chairs that aren't like the super most expensive ones, like this is like the best chair basically, because it's I don't know. Sure, I had it for like years. I got it for my brother, I think. And my bird, my stupid little parakeet. He's a cool little guy, but he ate the fucking handles of the chair, like the arms. He bit it so bad that it went down to the metal of the chair, and now I'm just like ripping my pants and I'm ripping like my jeans on this like piece of like exposed metal on my chair, and I got a new fucking thing now. Oh man, this looks really complicated. Oh my god. I think I might be too stupid to do this. Cool. This looks comfy. Is there instructions? Do you think it needs to come with instructions? Am I a fucking idiot? I mean, I've seen a chair. Like, I know what a chair looks like, so maybe I don't need instructions, but like, this ain't no regular chair. I don't want to like be sitting in it and all of a sudden like a paraplegic. Well, look at this thing. How the fuck is this does not have instructions? Oh my god. I hate this. I thought this was gonna be like a nice relaxing video where I put together something. Okay, I'm on the website for this. Whoa, man. Arnold. No, now is not the time. So I found the instructions. It looks like a child drew them. Holy shit, this is shit. I need the back, and then I put like a condom on the dick, or hold on. Okay, so here's the back, and this is the condom, like that. All the way in. 4 times 2. Pump. Pull up or press down to adjust the armrest height. That was a genuine reaction. My brain doesn't work this way. And this is the ass. This looks nice. This is really comfy. Oh, here's the fucking instructions. Okay. This is gonna be like the worst assembly instructions, because if anyone's like YouTubing how to assemble this thing, they're gonna come onto this thing and they're gonna think like some like special needs guys like trying to teach you how to. But at the end they're gonna be like, hey, good job, man, you really tried. It took you 4 hours, but you got it right eventually. Jesus Christ. You got the stuff? Yeah, man, check it out. I got 5 wheels. Wait a minute, can I count right? 5 genuine wheels. I feel like Homer. Le Grill? What the hell is Le Grill? There we go. You gotta push it in with a little bit of gusto. This is another dick that goes in it, I assume. There's a lot of dick metaphors going on in this assembly thing. What? Wait. Okay, big. Medium. Oh my god, my brain. Okay, let's clear this shit out. Let's just clean out. God, I swear to God. I swear to God, I got like a broken brain. Okay. I'm just imagining like my fucking bird. Like the moment I bust this out, the bird's like, holy shit. I got a new chew toy. I'm gonna eat this fucking thing. I don't know how funny this is gonna be. This is more me. This is more of a video where you laugh at me more than you laugh with me with the things I say. This is more like, look at the idiot. Look at the idiot. I don't know if you can hear my fucking fridge making the loud ass noise. Oh god, I'm gonna sit on this so good. My back's gonna feel amazing, and in my ass. I'm gonna play games, I'm gonna work, edit videos. My productivity is gonna go up like 10,000%. Like if I were to build something on my own and I'm screwing in shit, I would be so anxious. I wouldn't even know what I'm screwing in. But with this, like I got instructions, and it's an Allen key. It's like a screwdriver for babies, basically. All right, so I applied the mechanism to the ass of the chair, and it's done. It took me forever, and I'm all sweaty. All that's left to do is put this on that. So let's get that. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Bang, bang, I did everything. Did I? Yeah, it's done. Look at that. Not bad, huh? Here, let me set this up so I can sit in it. Okay. Oh, this is fucking sick. This is great. This is nice, good support. My bird won't be eating this shit. I'm gonna be sitting like this. I'm gonna be like ultimate productive guy. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna have way more videos like this, or I don't know like this, but like, you know, similar videos where I talk shit and do stuff. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and have a very good night.